How to make a website mobile friendly. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Wix website mobile friendly. So let's get started. Now I will be doing this on my mobile phone with Wix app. So you can download the Wix app from your Google Store or Apple Store really easily. And it allows us to edit our website like the features we get on our computer, and we get a better view of how our website will look on a mobile phone. So simply go to this site and app option right here and click on customize. This will allow me to customize my website that I have created, and I will be able to edit the header, edit the navigation, add different elements, and then I can add announcement as well. So we can also get a mobile view on our computer, but if you want to make your website mobile friendly, if you're using the app, then you get a better view that how you can actually, customize your members and how you can customize how your website looks here. And now I can add gallery. So if I go to gallery right here, it will open up the site gallery and I can actually check out different images, how they look on mobile phone. So you just, edit your website according to a mobile view on your mobile so that you can know how it's going to look. We can work on the branding and marketing. We can add coupons. Wix app has all the features we need and it's really easy to use. You can also go to Media Manager and upload images according to your website. And we have our orders, products. You will be able to see that how your products look here, right here. Click on add and it will allow you to add a new product, add a contact, create an invoice, and you will be able to add coupons, make a video, and more. So this way you will be able to work. Now it depends on you that how you want to manage your products and how you want to manage your site. And this way you will be able to make your site mobile friendly. You can actually edit any of the websites that you were creating. I had selected this one. You can see we get all of our websites right here, and I'm going to click on create new to create a brand new blog, online store, or a site on my mobile phone. So yeah, this is how you can go ahead and make your Wix website mobile friendly. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.